Menards Credit Card Login. So here is a guide for Menards Credit Card Login, how to access a Menards Big Credit Card. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down Menards Credit Card Login and tap on the Capital One option available at the top. Then once done so, if you have an account, then simply tap on the sign in, and if you don't, you can simply tap on the set up my account option available there. So first of all, you have to log into the Capital One, then only you can log into your Menards credit card. So simply tap on the set up my account option available there. So here you can simply enter your Menards credit card information in the blank spaces, and once done so you can simply tap on the get started and log into your Capital One. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.